we're going to clarify the concept of dihedral angle here. We already did the video for this, and we came up with a drawing like this. But we need to know dihedral angle. You've got two tetrahedra, one in front of the other. And I want to know the angle of particular groups off of the tetrahedra. So when you're here, the Newman is the best way to go. Because if you can look along this bond here, I'm just going to move this label here. I want to have my eye looking along here. There's my eye. And what my eye is going to see, always draw the axials first because they're up or down, and that's easy to do. So the carbon that your eye is looking at has a Cl straight down. That's axial. And on the carbon behind, what's straight up? A hydrogen. The carbon behind has an H straight up. Don't forget, you don't know how to space the rest of the bonds? That's easy. Hey, they're evenly spaced. If this is, you need to have two more bonds on here. So please don't do something silly like that. That's not evenly spaced. Don't do something silly like this. That's not evenly spaced. Evenly spaced. Now, on the front carbon, which one of those is to the right? Is it the H or is it the ring? H. Ring carbon to the left. You don't need to draw the whole thing. Just it's a carbon over there, right? And on the back carbon, things are evenly spaced as well. And yeah, you want 120, 120, 120, right? And what do you got to your right on the back carbon? Is it the Cl or is it the carbon? It's the Cl. And to your left is the carbon. Finally, to the exam question, what is the dihedral angle between the chlorine atoms? Remember, if this is 120 between each of the things on the front and 120 on each of the carbons in the back, and this is halfway between this and the 120 degrees towards the H, then that's 60. Right there. Now, if the other Cl was here, you'd say 180, right? Now, if the other Cl's here, sorry, here, you wouldn't say negative, just say 60. We don't do negatives and positives. Don't say 270 either. Say 60 to get from here to here. And right, that's good. So 60 degrees is our correct answer.
When would it be 45?
It'll never be 45. Wouldn't be proper spacing in the 45. So 60, 120, 0, that would be eclipsed, right? Let's just do, before we leave, 0 degree dihedral angle. They're right on top of each other, right? If it was eclipsed, but the other Cl was here, that's 120 degrees dA. And there'd be, you know, eclipsing, eclipsing, and eclipsing there. And just to be clear here, you'd have eclipsing there and eclipsing there. Everything's eclipsed in an eclipse, right? And that's good. Good video.